scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Position problems get easier when you check velocity and acceleration together because their signs show direction and whether the object is speeding up or slowing. Differentiate position. From x of t equals 1/3 t cubed minus 2t squared plus 3t plus 1, velocity is t squared minus 4t plus 3, and acceleration is 2t minus 4. Plug in t equals 0.5. Velocity is 0.25 minus 2 plus 3, which is 1.25. And acceleration is 1 minus 4, which is negative. A positive velocity means the object moves right, while a negative acceleration opposite the motion means its speed is decreasing, so it is slowing down. Well done! Option A, scan now. Watch signs, avoid rush. Trust given derivatives and check steps because positive velocity with negative acceleration means slowing down.